As the morning mist slowly fades over the mountains of Danyang, a quiet path leads upward through the forest. There, above the clouds, lies a serene sanctuary. Winding through the ridges, the mountain road of Bobalge Pass stretches beneath the sky. Beyond its last curve, the road gently turns, leading us toward the sacred grounds of Guinsa. Here, the noise of the world disappears. Time slows down, and the heart begins to quiet itself. The place where autumn has come, located at the foot of a mountain valley deep in Sobexa Mountain, this place is Guinsa Temple. The light of autumn paints the mountains in gold and crimson. Between the glowing leaves, the wind drifts softly through the valley, guiding the path toward Guinsa Temple. Hidden deep within the mountain's embrace, Guinsa stands tall and sacred. Hundreds of temple roofs rise step by step, as if reaching toward the heavens. Guinsa Temple was founded in 1945 by the Buddhist monk Sangwon Wongak. He established the temple deep in the mountains of Danyang, hoping that all sentient beings would be delivered from suffering. Through the passing years, the bell of Guinsa continues to echo beyond the mountains. Its sound washes away worldly worries, leaving behind a quiet peace within. At the edge of autumn, the colors of Guinsa fade softly into stillness. Like the end of a long journey, everything returns to its place once more.